KCTV5 is tracking the COVID-19 vaccine. Pediatric trials for the vaccine are ramping up. Moderna became the first U.S. drug maker to vaccinate children this week. It's enrolling nearly 7,000 participants to its Kids Cove study in the U.S. and Canada. KCTV5's Carolina Cruz is live for us now from Children's Mercy, one of the many hospitals enrolling kids into this trial. Carolina?
Well, Carolyn, the trials, or the date for the trial to begin here at Children's Mercy, it's still in the works. They haven't set a date yet, but it is expected to start sometime later this month or early April. And once it does begin, it's going to be really important because right now Pfizer is only approved for ages 16 and up, and Moderna and Johnson & Johnson are for adults only.
In Moderna's trial, children 6 months to 12 years will receive 2 doses of the vaccine 28 days apart.
You would start with adolescents and then you would go down through the age group and you would look for safety, efficacy, and dosing.
University of Kansas Health System's Dr. Kevin Alt is a member of the Federal Advisory Panel creating guidelines for COVID-19 vaccine distribution. He says even though data about vaccine efficacy and antibody measurements is available for adult trials, children's immune systems and responses are different from infancy to teenage years.
We're trying to decrease the dosing to try to find the right dose for them. We're trying to make sure there aren't any safety signals that are unique to that population.
Specific enrollment requirements will vary from trial to trial.
Usually the visits are pretty closely spaced up front because those are mostly safety visits, and then they space out later to look at, longer term effects and antibody levels.
Trial participants receive information about what to expect, how many visits are required, and any side effects. Symptoms are monitored throughout, especially in infants who can't vocalize how they're feeling.
Parents are experts at that, and so are pediatricians. So fever is something objective. You can look at, drowsiness, grouchiness.
On average, trials last 2 years to get long-term data, but COVID-19 has been an exception.
What has happened, though, currently is that we're vaccinating so many adults that some of those trials, the volunteers for adult trials aren't making it to the whole planned period because of the nature of the emergency.
The survey sign-up for the pediatric vaccine trial here at Children's Mercy is no longer active, but you can still contact the hospital or contact your child's pediatrician or doctor if you are interested in getting them signed up for one of these trials. Dr. Kevin Alt tells me that there are going to be several trials happening at once. Reporting in Kansas City, I'm Carolina Cruz, KCTV5 News.
Interesting advancements. Carolina, thank you.